rocket. We have lots of different shapes for us to use, and we're going to explore how we're going to do it with our hands. Take our glue. I have a glue stick, or you can use some running glue as well. So with our glue stick, we can hold it with a palmer grip, so we can use our whole hand. We can make lots of different marks with the glue, so we can run it over our paper. We can stick our shapes on. I'm going to use a rectangle. I'm going to stick it on my glue, and I'm going to push down very hard so it stays put. I'm going to use my triangle. I'm going to pick it up and hold it in a pincer grip as well with my thumb and my finger. Then I'm going to stick it down on our paper. I also have some stars for decoration. I'm going to stick some stars for my rocket to go past. I have 1, 2. We need a window, so I'm going to put it in the middle. Can you guys make a rocket too? Show me your picture when you're finished.